Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create viral AI news video using free tools. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we will need ChatGPT and also Pixverse. We need ChatGPT to create a prompt and we need Pixverse to generate a video. Okay, you can sign in to this website, this Pixverse, and then you will get 60 credits for free for daily credits. And then before you visit the Pixverse, you can create a prompt using ChatGPT, and these are the prompts that we can generate. I'm going to choose one of them. I'm going to select, for example, this one. Okay, we can copy the text or the prompt from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to paste it here. Alright, and then here you can choose the duration and you can select the aspect ratio. And for the ratio, I'm going to choose this one. And we can click on create. It needs 20 credits. Okay, and hold on guys, it's still loading. And now my video is being generated. Okay, now my video is ready and this is how the video looks like. And wait, let me play it. Okay, and if you want to download it, just click on download and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a viral AI news video using free tools. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.